Okay guys, so fiberglass is done, ski locker is in, now we have paint. Danielle's she's been waiting for
waiting on this for a year.
A year. So we're going to get some paint in this. We're going to use RustOleum, and then we have an additive here for anti-slip that we're going to use on the floor, just the floor part. We don't have to put anti-slip on the walls or anything like that. So
I don't need it.
It should be good. We only have 2 paintbrushes right now, so Danielle has a tip probably later in the video.
How to save them for the next day. I did some painting in our house,
so she's a better painter than me. And
maybe.
yeah, this is going to be fun, and y'all stay tuned. Okay, so we put down a coat of primer and 2 coats of this oyster topside paint.
Well, it's the oyster color because we wanted it to be similar to the boat color.
And so it is a little too similar, but when we put the furniture in here, it will definitely break it up a little bit more. So now we're going to use this sandpaper. We're going to put this down so you can sand your feet down. I'm sorry.
No, we're going to give it some texture.
A little anti-slip. Damn mosquito.
No, that was a mosquito. It was a bug.
A bug. Okay. Just a bug. No mosquito. So let's open this up. Okay, so I'm going to dump a little bit in here. And this is a one we've already been using. Now I'm going to pour a little bit of this in there. Then we'll pour a little bit more of this in there.
Because one of those goes into 1 quart of paint, boat paint. And honestly, it's going to be enough because we've already, we did the second layer with a ½ quart.
No, a little over ½ quart. And then
well, slightly, but
and we're also painting the ski locker latch, which is here.
And the sides of the walls with all of that. It's not just the floor.
And then stir stick. This has gone through plenty of fiberglass. Let's see if we can stir this stuff up.
Sounds sandy.
It does sound sandy. And they say you have to constantly stir this as the sand goes to the bottom. Get my big roller out here. And this is what Danielle was talking about. If you're going to save your brush
or your roller,
wrap
it next day or the next day.
Wrap it in a bag. We've been using this, and this brush is not dry. It is still
wet. You just put it in here, wrap it, and then this is just you can do a Walmart bag. This is Publix. But yeah, saves you from having to go and get more of these.
Little tip, courtesy of Danielle.
Put that on top of that. Yeah, we'll put it right down.
That's where the port.
Okay, yeah, I'm still gonna have to get off.
And then where do we stick our stir stick?
Inside here. See? Multiple uses.
I was about to throw overboard.
It gets on the garage floor. Oh my goodness. You guys have no idea.
And now we're going to listen to some tunage. Okay guys, so we got the floor done, and we used this RustOleum topside paint and this RustOleum anti-slip.
Which has created a very non-slip surface.
Very
If
anti-slip.
that's what you are looking for. We like it. What are we gonna do?
Well, we found out our feet tend to get dirty.
Yes. So we're going to go gray. We're gonna buy
A light gray.
We bought some kiwi, and we're gonna put that on top of everything we've already done. We're just gonna do one layer.
One layer kiwi on the top, and with this course and with the kiwi rubber, I think it'll be fine.
I think we'll be done.
I don't think it'll be slippery.
We spent a lot of time on this floor. I think we'll be done.
So yeah, I think we spent a lot of time on this floor, a lot going up from the stringers up to this point. We figured out when we move on to bigger boats what we're going to try to avoid.
Yes.
Because
Cut the work down. Make it shorter. We have done a lot of mistakes, and we've corrected them with other things. Costly mistakes, actually.
yes,
So yeah, big learning lesson. But we've been still sticking to a budget, and
in the blog we're going to put the budget in there, so
Yes.
of what we spent on this boat and what errors we made. And you can go back and check all the other videos to see how screwed up we were trying to restore this boat. Been a learning process. No,
but you
nothing.
still can't buy this boat at this year for what we spent to restore it.
In this condition.
It's still, yeah, in this condition. You haven't seen it yet. We have a lot of accessories coming.
We have a lot of
So-
accessories in it.
Yes,
And
it's way better than what it originally was in 2004.
Yeah, and Bayliners didn't come with navigation systems with showing all the depths and things like that. And they didn't come with custom built stereos. In fact, whatever the previous owner put in here, yuck. They put car speakers in here and they rusted. Rust
Yeah,
marks everywhere.
It was bad, so we had to rectify that.
That's a video too. But we're going to do some in here on the floor. We're also going to do some trimming around the boat. Got to paint these speaker pods, make them look custom. And go back this video last week where we put in all the hardware to make this in the floor and work and function as a ski locker. And not blow out when you're pulling it down the road. It's a good thing, I think.
But we're gonna paint it again, so
We
that's
are,
why it's out.
the
And
top.
that's why there's a hole.
Yeah, we don't want to put the hardware back in it and then take it out to paint it again.
Right, so
So, and
that is coming.
it is coming.
We already ordered it. It's coming.
Yes. And We actually got the kiwi type paint, and we've seen plenty of other sailors and other boaters use it, and we wanted to see how it worked for in here.
The entire floor, all the way up to the sides.
Yes, all the way up the sides. And it's going to add an accent that hopefully is not so blinding white in this video.
It is very bright in here, but we have painted it 4 times. So,
4 times.
Yeah, it's very bright, but it's very pretty. It's just that we're looking for something else, so that's what we're doing.
We got tired of it. It was on here for, what, 2 days now?
Well, our feet get dirty, and when we get on it, it gets dirty, and we're like, okay, how are we going to ever keep this clean? So we need to turn it more gray, and that's what we're doing. So.
Yeah, because we already have enough cleaning this.
Right.
We don't want to add to this.
Right. Fiberglass is a chore.
And you see where, watch videos of Danielle here? My lovely wife took and shined and shined and shined.
Right, and it still needs more.
Oxidation. Bad.
It's never ending.
It is. So, hopefully you like this and this video was helpful in your choices for your floor. Not a bad solution. Yeah, and they do offer other colors besides beige.
We could totally leave it like this, okay? Don't get me wrong. We could totally leave it like this and go and start traveling on the water. But since we haven't finished a couple of other things, we figured that we'll just go ahead and paint it the color we want.
One more again, but with this you won't slide. Definitely won't slide.
No, it's pretty sturdy. It's, you know, it's very sandy. And it's not rough on the feet either. It's actually
I was
very
surprised.
nice. Yeah, I was
Feeling
too.
this and then walking on it, I was surprised with how non-abrasive it is to your feet.
Right.
They make your feet look pretty. You like pretty feet.
It's just too light of a color, so.
Yeah, it's the color. So we could probably go with this color in a light gray and save ourselves a lot of money, but we just want to do something different. We want to try something else because we have big ambitions in 2 years. If you stay with us that long, big ambitions. So that's it. Also, if you're looking for great eats, good recipes, check out diningwithdanielle.com.
Yes.
Lovely recipes,
I'm not
great
making one
food.
today, but
No, every week.
making some food.
Recipes released weekly. I get them almost daily. I'm sorry, guys, but she releases new recipes weekly, and they are so good. If you're looking for ways to get your grass to grow, we're working on that too, or other projects we've done, or reviews we may have done. Check out our previous videos. If you just want to see a story of how long and what paths we took to get to this point, look at that too.
It's a lot.
It is a lot. If you like this channel, please subscribe. We have plenty of other videos and plenty of videos we've done, like getting the grass to grow in our yard, installing hot water heaters,
Home maintenance.
home
repairs.
maintenance, car maintenance, reviews on just gadgets and building speakers for Jeeps and things like that. See that. If you like this video, please subscribe. It's down there somewhere. It's about like this. And y'all please take care.
Bye.